had already been changed from past few years, and moreover, it will definitely going to be more disastrous in some years. It is because we people did not pay any attention to preserve our nature, and we are destroying it day by day.
Yes, it's true that conservation of nature is very important. That's why July 28th is observed as World Nature Conservation Day across the world to raise awareness about protecting the natural resources. Now let's see what our Mother Earth is saying to us.
I am your Mother Earth. I give you whatever you desired for. I give you food, land to live, and many other happiness. I know you needed me in the past, using me in the present, and will be needing me in the future. But now it's your turn. Your turn to fight against my degradation. Your turn to fight for my freedom. Your turn to fight for my freedom.
I am land. On me garbage is everywhere. Looks like no one doesn't care. Storms, hurricanes, much more. And I really can't take it anymore. Everyone must be cooperate before it's going to be late. Before it's going to be...
Water, water, everywhere. To wash my hands and wash my hair. It comes from clouds, don't you know? And falls in the form of rain and snow. Keep it clean or you will be sick as sick can be. Think of others when you get paid and give a bit to water aid. Save water, save life.
Cars release a really bad gas which can destroy your lungs very fast. It makes you cough and get really sick. This can become up pretty quick. There's a lot of bad things which pollution will do. Preventing this is up to me and you.
As we hear the importance of land, air, water, and our dearest Mother Nature. So, here are some ways by which we can protect our nature.
Nature comprises of everything that surrounds us. The trees, forests, rivers, soil, air are all part of nature. So natural environment is very important for the continuation of life on earth. It would be difficult to imagine life on earth which has a spoiled natural environment. Therefore, only human beings with their power and ability can save natural environment in its purest forms.
Mother